and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dikan, aka Dikan, and I do all things skin, beauty, lifestyle, and every other razzle dazzle that I want to add to the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my darling internet hearts? I love you guys so much. Actually, I don't want to be partial, but more of the hugs to my subscribers. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in today, and today we are discussing chemical exfoliants. Now I know it's been a long time coming. You guys have requested this video so much. I owe you guys this video, and I'm sorry, my apologies. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. Okay, so now without talking too much, let us get into the video. Now, what are chemical exfoliants? Basically, chemical exfoliants are acids that are used or that we use to take away dead skin cells from the skin, simply put. So I'm sure by now on this channel you would know that we have two types of exfoliation, which is physical exfoliants and chemical exfoliants, and in today's video we are going to specifically be discussing chemical exfoliants. So now, what's the difference between physical and chemical exfoliants? While physical exfoliants manually take off dead skin cells, this is when we use things like our scrubs to manually take away dead skin cells from our skin. Chemical exfoliants do the job for us. All we need to do is just apply it, and then it does the exfoliating job, if you get what I mean. So yeah, this is what we simply mean by chemical exfoliant. So when you hear chemical exfoliant, it feels like such a technical term, but it's simply put removing dead skin cells from your skin by letting a product do it for you. Now, when it comes to chemical exfoliants, there are weaker formulas that can be gotten over the counter, and other a little bit of a stronger formula that would most likely be prescribed by doctors that you have to get in the pharmacy. But then there are stronger formulas that you would have to go to a dermatologist to do it for you. This is what we then call chemical peel, where chemicals are used to do this very drastic peel on your skin. Especially if you're suffering from severe skin conditions, then you can go for a drastic peel like this. But apart from that, using the weaker versions or the prescribed versions are also very much beneficial in taking away dead skin cells from the skin and renewing your skin. So basically, chemical exfoliants work by breaking the bonds that hold our skin cells together on the skin. Now, as the bond is being broken from our skin, the top layer then sheds, which then reveals regenerated skin, basically renewing your skin. With regular use of chemical exfoliants, your skin feels smoother and looks more even in tone, and then your pores are unclogged. Signs of aging on your skin can drastically reduce. Now, the basic benefits of chemical exfoliants is that it exfoliates your skin, it brightens your skin, it also promotes collagen production on the skin, it also helps to clear fine line and wrinkles, it minimizes the appearance of pores, and also corrects discoloration. Another good benefit of chemical exfoliants is that it treats pimples and acne on the skin as well. Now, there are different types, and when it comes to chemical exfoliants, you can have them in your cleansers, your toners, your serums, your moisturizers, and any other skincare product. But my advice will always be, when you're just starting out with chemical exfoliants, don't use it in all your products. What I mean by that is, don't use chemical exfoliants in cleansers at the same time using toners, at the same time using moisturizers and all of that. Try to choose one product that you would want to use your chemical exfoliants, or maximum 2 products that would contain chemical exfoliants for your skin. Now that we are done with all of that, let us get into different chemical exfoliants for different skin types. So I'm basically going to be recommending for oily skin, sensitive skin, acne prone skin, and all of that, and then I am going to list products in the description box. So whichever suits you or whichever skin type that you are, you can then pick and choose a product in the description bar, and then you can definitely work with that product as a chemical exfoliant for your skin. Now, there are different classes of chemical exfoliants. There are the AHAs, which is alpha hydroxy acid. There is beta hydroxy acid, which is the BHA, and there is beta hydroxy acid. This one is not really popular, but there's also that. And then different chemical exfoliants fall under this different category, if you get what I mean. But there are also chemical exfoliants like azelaic acid that stand on their own. They are neither AHA, BHA, or PHA. They are just a chemical exfoliant, a class of their own. So yeah, for sensitive skin first, I'm going to be recommending the best chemical exfoliant that you should use for this skin type, which is azelaic acid mandelic acid and lactic acid. Now if you have sensitive skin, you know that you want to be careful with the things that you put on your skin, especially something that will take away from the surface of your skin. You want to be really careful. Now azelaic acid is a class of its own, that is a chemical exfoliant that helps also in improving the texture of your skin, also helps with pimples and acne and fine lines on the skin. It is a mild but a very effective chemical exfoliant for the face that works for sensitive skin. Mandelic acid is also a very mild chemical exfoliant that works well for sensitive skin, and also lactic acid is also a mild version of chemical exfoliants that work for the skin. Now when it comes to azelaic acid, if you're just beginning, I would not advise that you don't stay above 20% of azelaic acid, which is hardly above 20% anyways. And then mandelic acid, you can stay between 5 to 10% mandelic acid. And also for lactic acid, you should also stay very minimal in the percentage, just so you don't burn out your skin if you do have sensitive skin. Now moving on to oily and combination skin, the best chemical exfoliant for this skin type is also azelaic acid. Azelaic acid has great range, it works for a lot of skin type, and also glycolic acid for this skin type, also lactic acid for this skin type, and lastly the one that is very much beneficial in unclogging pores and breaking down sebum on the skin for combination to oily skin type is salicylic acid. Now all these acids I just mentioned now works very well for acne prone skin and oily to combination skin, so do well to check out products that do contain these acids if you're trying to look for a good chemical exfoliant for your skin. Now chemical exfoliant that I would recommend for normal to dry skin would still be azelaic acid, and also lactic acid, glycolic acid, and mandelic acid for this skin type. Now if you are in this skin category, then definitely look for products that contain these acids for chemical exfoliation. Now I always get questions on AHAs and BHAs. Now let me quickly elaborate on that before we end this video so that you will totally understand what you're doing for your skin. AHAs is a class of chemical exfoliants that different chemical exfoliants fall under. For example, glycolic acid, mandelic acid, and lactic acid falls under AHAs. Now AHAs are usually good in improving skin tone and correcting mild discoloration. And now BHAs, which is mainly salicylic acid. Now this one is mostly ideal for oily to combination skin due to its pore unclogging properties. So yeah, that is why it is often recommended that if you do have oily or combination skin and also acne prone skin, you should consider salicylic acid in your beauty regimen. Now PHAs are now the very mild version of chemical exfoliants. They are less intrusive on the skin and are ideal for people with sensitive skin. So when you hear about alpha hydroxy acid, beta hydroxy acid, and beta hydroxy acid, this is what you want to consider while going for them. Like I said earlier, when you're starting out with chemical exfoliants, choose a certain product or two products that do contain a certain chemical exfoliant that is ideal for your skin type and use those products. Don't use all your products at the same time containing one form of chemical exfoliant or the other, because what this could do to your skin is that it could burn out your skin, and then you now get a counter effect that you were originally trying to get. With chemical exfoliants, you have to be careful when you're starting out, and also even though most of these acids can be used together, some of them don't go together. So I would advise that you start small with a certain acid. For example, if you're going for glycolic acid and then you want to use more than two products that contain glycolic acid, let's say you want to use glycolic acid in your serum and also your cleanser, right? Then just go for glycolic acid at the time and then build your skin up to it. I always say that you build your skin up to stuff so that you do not irritate your skin, or so that you do not spoil the results that you are trying to achieve. So yeah, that would be my advice. This is like the very basic thing that you need to know about chemical exfoliants. Now we are going to go advanced as to how to combine like chemical exfoliants on your skin. If you're more like a skin guru, or you're just someone that is into skincare and beauty and you just want to do more for your skin, you want to see more results, but for the basis, this is what you need, okay? And yeah, but if you do want to see like an advanced chemical exfoliant video, please thumbs up this video or drop a comment down below, and I'll definitely get to filming that, because actually it is really fancy playing with all of these things, and it just teaches you a lot about skincare and beauty. And then when you're getting all these results on your skin, it really can make you really happy. But then again, if you're starting out, please be easy. But then we can always take things further in the next video, where I'm going to do like a chemical exfoliant, should I say 1 or 2. So yeah, this is all you need to keep in mind for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you did learn a thing or two, thumbs up this video or drop a comment down below. Share this video with your friends and family who are naive on how to start with chemical exfoliants, or even though people that know but don't really know, or you suspect that they might not really know. Please send this video to them so that they can learn more about chemical exfoliants, because ideally it is good for all of us, it is good for all skin type. You just need to find which one works for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video today. Remember that if you're not subscribed, I do want you to stay, and you have to subscribe and click on the bell button so you're notified every single time that I post a video. And as usual, I wish you a perfect, beautiful, luscious, glowy, everything good skin, and I will see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Mwah.